Hello, Fixing Expert family. Today, we're tackling a luxurious and elegant project, installing marble floors. Marble flooring adds timeless beauty and value to any home. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to help you achieve a professional finish. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Start by ensuring your subfloor is clean, level, and dry. Remove any old flooring, debris, and adhesive. If necessary, use a leveling compound to create a smooth, even surface. Step 2. Plan your layout. Measure your room and mark the center point. Dry lay your marble tiles to determine the best layout and avoid small, awkward cuts along the edges. Step 3. Apply the adhesive. Use a notched trowel to spread a thin, even layer of thin-set mortar or marble adhesive on a small section of the floor. Step 4. Lay the marble tiles. Start at the center and work your way outwards. Press each tile firmly into the adhesive and use spacers to maintain consistent gaps for grout lines. Step 5. Cut the tiles. Measure and mark the tiles that need to be cut to fit along the edges. Step 6. Allow adhesive to cure. Let the adhesive dry for at least 24 hours before walking on the tiles or applying grout. Step 7. Apply the grout. Remove the spacers and use a rubber grout float to spread grout into the gaps between the tiles. Wipe away excess grout with a damp sponge. Step 8. Seal the marble. Once the grout has cured, apply a high-quality marble sealer to protect the surface from stains and scratches. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to installing marble floors. With patience and attention to detail, you can achieve a stunning, professional finish. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY tips and tricks from Fixing Expert. Until next time, happy renovating.